Navigation tutorial. Let's take a quick tour of how to navigate your new course and make the most of your learning experience. The homepage features an introductory video and navigation links to the following sections: Syllabus, Action Plan, Real-World Tools, Announcements, Chat, and Information. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Start Here button. We recommend you click on it to begin your course. When you land on the Start Here module, you will learn more about your professor, review course details, and access the introduction to the course. You will also find technical support, institutional policies, and guidelines. The Syllabus page contains an overview of the course, such as the course description, the expected learning outcomes, topics, evaluation criteria, and activities. The Action Plan page provides a brief description of the core principles of project-based learning, a clear definition of your project's real-world context, and answers to frequently asked questions about managing your work and succeeding in this course. Use this page as your go-to resource to stay organized, understand expectations, and effectively tackle your project. The Real-World Tools page is a resource designed to provide you with essential technologies for your projects, as if you were in a real-world setting. It features a curated selection of content creation and project management tools, each with a brief description and a quick guide for practical use. When you land on the module page, you'll see an introductory video at the top, along with its full transcript. As you scroll down, you'll find important information in these expandable sections, including expected learning outcomes, an important notice, your weekly schedule, and a technology toolbox. But the most important part of this page is your to-do list. This is your personal guide to the week's work, broken down into 3 simple steps. 1. Read. This section shows you the specific reading assigned to help you learn about the topic and complete your tasks successfully. 2. Watch, listen. Here you will find multimedia resources that provide a deeper understanding of the week's topics. 3. Apply. This section lists the specific tasks you need to complete. And because collaboration is at the heart of project-based learning, you'll also find the collaborative gathering section. Once you have finished all the module's tasks, you will see the key takeaways for the module. For more information, access our technical support page or contact your instructor.